HENGON Poultry Farming Solutions, located in Zhucheng, Shandong, China. Near Qingdao Port, established in 2002. With more than 20 years of experience in modern poultry farming industry, HENGON is dedicated to providing one-stop poultry farming solutions for customers around the world. Our manufacturing base covers 260,000 square meters with more than 500 professional employees, certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. We provide poultry cage systems, broiler floor rearing equipment, feeding systems, drinking systems, climate control systems, manure cleaning systems, lighting systems, electrical systems, driven by advanced technology and practical farming experience. We deliver reliable and efficient solutions. For farms of all sizes, our products have been exported to more than 20 countries across Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, North America, and South America, backed by professional teams, strict quality control, and competitive pricing. HENGON has earned the trust of customers worldwide. HENGON, building smarter poultry farming for the future.